Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I'm doing a video that I love doing because I love doing my monthly Amazon bestsellers, my annual bestsellers, but today we're only talking about the best-selling gifts of 2023. I posted 3 gift guides so far by the time this video goes up, and I chose only the things that I put on my YouTube gift guide so we can see the most purchased gift this holiday season. And I'm so excited. I just went through a list and it's really shocking to me, but really exciting. I'll have everything linked down below, including my Amazon storefront. That is where you can find all these gift ideas and more. And of course, subscribe for more because a lot more are coming very soon. I'll have everything linked down below. And yeah, let's get into it. I decided to 20. I thought that was a pretty good number, and a lot of these come from this video. It's the most affordable price point. It's where most stocking stuffers and smaller gifts come from, and it's also the first one I posted, so it's the most watched so far. Starting off with number 20, we have the makeup brush cleaning kit. I think this is really cool and genius for a lot of women, no matter the age. It's just a good way to keep your makeup brushes clean and to dry them, which is what I always struggle with. It's $12 and even more discounted right now. This will definitely be a top gift recommendation from me, not just for the holidays, but for all the baby showers, first birthdays, etc. It's this personalized baby brush. I get mine from Temu, but if you don't have the time to wait for your Temu package, Amazon has it for the exact same price. And I think they just make the cutest gifts. I've given it to every single one of my friends that's pregnant right now. I got one for baby boy because I think we have a name. I mean, we have a brush, so we have a name. I got one for Olivia. I even got one for my friends that have like 8 months old because I just think it's the cutest little, so darn cute and so affordable. This one has been consistently on this list for years now. It's the digital piggy bank. It was definitely like at the top of the list, like top 5 for the past 2 years. So a little sad that it's fallen so low on this list, but it totally makes sense because I've been posting way more gift ideas this year. And we have a favorite stocking stuffer. It's this 2-pack of these magnetic sunglass holders that you put on your car visor. I think they're amazing. Such a functional gift and such a functional little stocking stuffer. You can always combine this with actual sunglasses. I mean, Amazon has like super affordable sunglasses that look like designer for like $10, so just saying. One that I knew was gonna be a hit this year is these towel headband sets. You get 3 headbands and 3 of the little wristbands for $20, which is such a steal, especially if you divide them up and give it to different people. Great for favorites, parties, gift exchanges with a lot of friends or co-workers. They're also great for teens and tweens. I think this is the only toy in this list, and it was also a bestseller in the past few months. It's the Barn and Sue toy. My daughter is actually obsessed. We actually have to hide it, and I cannot believe we only spent $11 on this toy. She gets to learn her animals, her colors, they're numbered as well, and she gets to practice opening them, closing them. I bought 3 for upcoming gifts for the holidays and first birthdays because I think it's like the best toy ever. One of my favorite inventions that I literally used last night. It's this like migraine, headache, hangover relief cap, like an eye mask. It's cooling and it almost like compresses you, and y'all, it helps so much. I've been getting really gnarly headaches at night because of my pregnancy. If you're hungover, this would help. If you get bad migraines, this would help. If you're sick, this would help. They're such an inexpensive gift. I think they're like $15. If you gift it to them, they will use it. Number 13 is a recent find that I love because I start drinking hot coffee again. It's this warming plate for your coffee mug. The listing for this one is kind of deceiving because it looks like it comes with a matching mug. It doesn't. You can always gift them a mug with it, but just know it doesn't come with it. Or you can buy the one with the mug that's a little bit more money. But y'all, this is genius. I think it's perfect for co-workers, your dad, for your grandparents. It's just like an inexpensive gift that they will use every single day if they drink hot beverages. Another favorite is the Danish dough whisk. I think this is genius. I feel like it's one of those things that people don't think to buy or don't know it exists, and then they have it and they're like, oh my god, my life has been changed. For anyone that loves to bake, to cook, I think this is a no-brainer. You get 2 for $9, so it's also extremely inexpensive. A really fun one is this pocket pharmacy. You get 4 for like $14, and it comes with the stickers, so you get all these labels like Advil, Tylenol, etc. They're very trendy among the kids, the cool kids on TikTok, but also I have one, I use it all the time too. They're great for travel and for people that just like to be prepared. Number 10, we have this Enamel Tea Kettle that is not only gorgeous and great quality, but it's only $21. I feel like I could see this at Anthropologie costing like upwards of $50. The fact that you can get it on Prime, that it looks so beautiful, and that it's really, really good quality just makes such a good gift. You can always combine it with, you know, an assortment of teas or whatever. I've gifted my mom this tea kettle and she loves it. Number 9 is another fun little stocking stuffer, is this coaster set that look like vinyl records. I think this is really, really fun. I actually gave mine, like the ones that I bought, to my husband because he loves vinyls and he is always in need of a coaster. So for $9, a great gift for truly anyone. Number 8, I really thought would be higher on this list, but it is number 8. It's these magnetic measuring spoons. I recently purchased the matching measuring cups that are also magnetic, so I'll let you guys know how those work out. But they're $9. They are the most convenient and useful thing I own in the kitchen, and I just love the fact that you can gift these and change someone's life. Not to be dramatic, but kind of. And one side fits inside little jars, which I think is a game changer. Number 7 is another game changer. These are all so functional. I love the fact that you'll also love gifting and buying functional items. So this is a 2-pack of the car squeegees. I got mine from Temu, but you can find them on Amazon for around the same price. It extends and expands. You can actually clean your rear view mirror or, you know, your windshield from inside of your car, which I think it's convenient, and keep it in your car. That's where mine lives at all times. Great stocking stuffer, great gift, just highly recommend. Number 6 is the heated lash curler that I was this close to not even putting on my gift card because I was like, is this even a good gift? Like, are people going to like this / buy it? And I'm so glad I did. I don't know if it comes from my gift guide. I don't know if it comes from my TikTok where I did my lash extensions tutorial. I don't know, but y'all, that little thing I got from Temu for like $2. You can also get it on Amazon. I swear it like makes such a difference. I haven't had to charge it yet. So much better than those like clampy lash curlers. So I don't know if people are buying it for themselves or as gifts. Let me know, do you think that's a good gift or not? But it has been a game changer for my makeup routine. Okay, top 5, top 5, top 5. What was that Drake song? Is it Drake or Future? Oh my god, I'm so old and boring. I don't even know. Okay, number 5 is a favorite from last year, and I guess a favorite this year too, is this gift set Beauty Blender makeup sponges. I recommend it every single year. I think the box is so giftable. It's $9, and the quality of those makeup sponges is comparable, if not better, to the Beauty Blender for like, I don't know, a fourth of the price. It's amazing. You have to try those AOA sponges if you haven't already, but also they make a great gift. It wouldn't be a bestsellers video of mine without me skipping a number, so I skipped number 4. It's this reusable lint roller, an absolute game changer. I got this back in June, I think, and I knew it was gonna be a best-selling gift because it's genius, so useful and functional. It's small enough to be a stocking stuffer as well, and all you have to do is just run it under water and it's just as sticky as before. Incredible gift. It also comes in neutral colors if you have someone like my brother who's obsessed with lint rolling his pants. But I love it. I wear black leggings all the time. I have 3 dogs and I use it every day. Another bestseller from last year is this laser leveler tool, $17 and life changing. I swear my husband uses it at least twice a month in this house just to hang absolutely anything. Makes such a big difference, I swear. So whether it's for a man in your life, whether it's for someone that just got a house. Number 2 has been a bestseller since like 2019, and I can't believe it's still a bestseller. It's like number 2 out of arguably thousands of items I've recommended through the years. It's a car registration and insurance holder. Can y'all believe it? Because I truly can't. Either like new people are finding my videos and buying it, or just more people are finding people to gift it to. I don't know. So inexpensive, so convenient, and it makes the best gift because most people either don't know it exists or don't buy it for themselves. So great gift idea, but I don't have to hype it up. It's number 2. Okay, listen, I know it's the year of Taylor Swift. I know it's the Eras Tour year. I know she's dating Travis Kelce. Trust me, no one is more invested in that than I am. I love Taylor Swift. I've loved her since I was in high school, maybe middle school. But when I tell you, I was doing this list and I just saw the number 1 and I saw the number and I was just like, no way. The number 1 bestseller is the Taylor Swift car air freshener little vinyl record, and I just can't believe it. I mean, it's such a good gift for so many people in your life. It's very unique, it's very cool. I also posted about it on TikTok, so I'm sure that helped. Put it on your air vent and then it just spins like you're playing it. It's just so darn cute. I get it. I guess I just didn't know how many of y'all also love Taylor Swift, so yay. I mean, it's nothing new. I know people love her. It took me forever to get an Eras Tour ticket, so it makes a lot of sense. But anyway, that is the number 1 best-selling gifts as of right now. That is everything for today's video so far. Do not fear, I will do a second one once I post more gift guides. But if you enjoyed these, definitely give it a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments if you bought anything or if you will buy anything. And yeah, that's everything I have to say. Thank you guys so much for watching and for shopping through my links and for trusting my recommendations. I love you guys so much. I'll talk to you guys very soon in my next one.